So that exact same thing happened to me when I first got my drill attachment, because I ran out and I got our drill out of the garage. And this thing spins so fast that it heats up the plastic on the Centro machine and it welded the handle shut. And so we had to bust it loose. Fortunately, I can still use that machine. It's just sometimes a little bit weird. And it could be because I kind of messed it up using this. So then I went and I got my little teeny drills, and this one's Martha's. So this one's a little more expensive. I think I got it on QVC. And then this one, I think I got at Home Depot. But this is how fast they go. Definitely less powerful, so it doesn't spin as fast, and it's not going to melt the plastic on the machine. And I just have a couple of them because they run out of battery quicker. So I just swap it out and I plug one in and I use the other one. But I think you can look on Amazon. You can get some of these low power drills for like $20, $25.